Well, bam, what is up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be playing this game called Gorilla Darkness. Gorilla Darkness Horror, I think. Gorilla Darkness Horror. I think it's fun. I have not played it. It sounds really fun. I heard of it before.
Get on the ship! Where's it?
Let's go.
Dude, I keep jump over here!
It's fine, he's stuck.
You can come from here. No, I know.
Oh, ew. Punch mode? Guys, what map? What map are you guys in?
You wanna get red
How do I get out of here?
The big monster? Big monster?
Okay, that's creepy. What map are you guys in?
Forest!
This is my first time playing. What map are you guys in?
It's right there. It's over there.
What map are you guys in? What map? What do
Oh, I
you?
can hear a monster. There's a monster coming.
I hear something right there. Where are the cosmetics?
Oh, stop, save me.
Go. This reminds me of OG GDI horror for some reason.
You made me get so scared. You made me jump.
This reminds me of OG GDI horror. For some reason. This reminds me of OG GDI horror. Hospital.
I'm stuck.
Yo, get this game on App Lab. Oh shoot.
Guys, let's go get
Yo, Minty has to play this.
Stay up here.
Or shit. You hear this mall music? Do we have my cosmetics? Headphones. Why are headphones like? Oh, those are music.
Yo, it's on the ship. It's on the ship.
Weird. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, cowboy hat. Cowboy hat is the closest to my hat.
That spider's carrying this game.
Oh, yo, it's
I don't play this game.
The red rose does not.
Spider major.
Okay.
How is he still alive?
Jingle bell.
Can outrun it, but you can't.
What map are you guys in?
I think I remember.
What map? Forest?
No,
I'm coming to forest.
Yo, it's still.
Oh my god. I can hear him. I heard him.
Wait, you guys are in forest?
Ready. Let's go hit my bazooka. Think about it every time
Yeah.
you
Yo, what's up, guys? What are you guys doing up here? You guys gonna go into forest, right? Y'all being so boring.
Oh, yo, watch out, watch out.
Where are you guys? I'm in forest.
Yo,
Oh, I see you.
He died.
Ooh! Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Oh, run, rabbit! Oh, run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Yo, what did Timmy just say? Run, rabbit's in the barrier! Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! Run, rabbit! What? What? Papa. Oh, is he cooking? Yo, Run Rabbit isn't spawn.
Yeah, we know, Brad.
Run Rabbit got in spawn. Have to be careful.
See you guys.
Oh.
Yo, Brad, before you go, can you punch me over there? I got you, bro, don't worry.
I can punch you.
I'll punch you. My head's
I'm cooked.
in a minute, anyway.
Guys, oh,
Can you punch me over there, bro? Come on.
yo,
Yo, I don't know. Really good, really
Run Rabbit isn't spawn. Be careful.
Yeah, that's why I'm going up double walls.
Run. Oh, what is that? What is that? Something. What is that? No, wait, Run Rabbit isn't spawn. We can't get out.
Yo, Run is coming. Run is coming.
Run. Oh crap, Run is up here. Run is trying to get me. No.
Oh my days.
Oh my god, he's climbing. I'm good. Help me! Save me! Somebody! Help me! Somebody help! Help me! Help me! Help me! Guys, help! Help me, guys! Guys, help! Guys, please! Somebody save me! Somebody! Go! No! I got cooked, bro. I threw my controller. Yo, this game is actually low-key really fun. You guys should really at this. Okay, let's go. Get my energy. Jumping jacks. I'm not caught weapon.
Everybody else.
Yo, bro, everyone got cooked by Run.
I got cooked by him, bro.
I also got cooked.
I am.
Who's this guy? He's here. He's out there. He's out there. And Run Rabbit, bro. And Run Rabbit. We're cooked. We're cooked. Run. Run. Leave. Go on top of the table. Go on top of the siren. Go on top of the siren. Oh! Get on top of the siren. Someone's gonna have to go out there and lure them out. I'll go out there. Beanie, come here. Beanie. Beanie, jump over here. Run Rabbit. Run Rabbit. Run Rabbit's chasing me. Oh. Go on top of stump, guys. Go on top of stump. Run. Go. Guys, go. Guys, go. Go inside the city so that we're safe. Where's my cowboy hat? There's my rose.
Let's go back. I think they're gone now.
I got my rose, but where's my cowboy hat?
Oh my god, this game is dead.
Hold on. Do the maps reset?
No.
Yes, they do.
No.
What map should we go to? Canyons?
Oh yeah, they did. What?
Canyons?
No.
Let's go to Canyons.
Dude, they said there was like 15 people in the game. Why is there like less people now?
Everyone died. Oh, this is
Yo,
dark.
who wants to get punched? Who wants to get punched, bro? I'm like the best.
Yo,
Me.
should we go to
I guess I will for the views. I'm making a YouTube video. Someone just got punched?
Alright, let me punch you.
Oh! Oh! Yo!
Yo, what the hell
I'm on top.
from, bro?
I'm up here. I'm alive.
How good I'm punching
You punched me all the way back here.
See, that's how good I am at punching, bro. Don't worry. See? That's
How do I make it back safely?
Alright, so just keep going across the border until you see the entrance and then
Crap.
so like,
Help! Ah! Help!
yo, a monster,
Guys, help me!
a monster's coming, go.
I fell.
What do you mean?
Help me, guys. Help me, guys. Guys, help me. Wait, what's the next boss? What is he on? Check.
Imagine it was good on. Just like thinking about it. Meat base 44.
No.
A complete
What?
illustration platform.
No, tell me. Guys, guys, help me.
I couldn't move.
I'm in canyons. I don't know where am I.
Oh, you're so quick, bro.
What is this? Help. Oh crap, I'm right next to a monster.
Well, hiding.
Guys, I made it back. I'm alive. Oh. Go. Guys, I made it back alive. You guys punched me all the way back there. Can't get me. Can't get me. Oh. Ankles. Aw.
Tag.
Alright.
GG's.
Who wants to get punched?
Guys, let's get him.
Not me.
Alright,
Not
move
me.
him
Wanna get punched?
Me.
Okay. Canyons is low-key kind of boring. Because no one's gonna get the monster. Who wants to get the monster?
Same too.
Huh? I'm not getting punched again. I already got punched all the way to the back of the wall.
Amazing.
Fine, guys. Since we're all being boring, I'll get the monster.
Guys, let's get PPVV.
Let's get PPP.
Wait, actually, no. Someone come with me. Someone come with me. Come on. Someone come with me.
Let's get PB and J. Guys, we're up in the city.
Come with me.
Where you guys at?
Bro, I am.
Come here.
Where
you guys at?
Oh, shit.
Where you guys at?
No tracking. I'm not gonna do tracking glitch this time.
Found the holes, I think.
Bro, we got like mini Hydra.
Do you think we're cooked? You go first. You go first.
Bro, that guy's fast as hell.
I'll go.
Oh, what the fuck? Guys, where are you? I got you, Canyon.
Just get him like this.
Stop. We need to go around to get him. That guy fell all the way.
Where are you? Come back. Where are you?
I fell.
Guys, where are you?
I fell.
The monster's coming down. The monster's coming down.
Whoa! I threw my controller. I threw my controller. I threw my controller. This is the second time. Second time I threw my controller in one video. To world rec. Oh my god, the monster's down here? Dude. How is the monster down here? Lucio. Guys, help me. Guys.
Hey, someone go get him and go to the corner. Someone go get him and go into the corner. Don't pull tag me, I'll get him. Guys, tag
Please
me,
do
I'll
not
get him.
punch me back down there.
I'll get him. Tag me, I'll get him.
No.
Tag me, I'll get him.
Stop. Oh,
Tag me, I'll get him. Tag me, bro. Tag me.
you are la. Reference to my stop.
Where's he at?
Where are they?
He's down there.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Yo,
Where?
We're
are
in
they?
canyons.
I don't know.
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Over here.
Tag me. Oh, guys, tag me. My social stuff.
Wow.
I'm the first in my life. You guys can
Cowboy.
watch me. You guys can watch me if you.
Alright, go get him, go. Go down there.
Tip, no. Oh. Guys, I always come back. I'm back. Yo, let's go.
Oh shoot. Get the monster. I might have killed Cowboy Hat.
Wow, how is he climbing?
Carrie, you talk.
No, he's not.
I'm scared.
Oh, yes, he is.
That's PPP. That's 609. That's Orangutini and Athene.
Bro, wait. Yo, I killed Cowboy Hat. I don't know where he went.
Go to
I'm scared, bro.
Go get the monster, bro.
What are you gonna post this on?
I'll come down there with you, bro.
What are you gonna post this on, though?
YouTube. I'm right here.
What's the channel? What's the channel, everybody?
Eclipse. I think I low-key forgot.
Look.
I changed my YouTube name. No, don't do this to me. Don't. I'm getting. It's climbing! It's climbing! It's climbing! Go! It's climbing! It's climbing! No! Oh my god! He wants to go down there. Wait, I lucky forgot what's my YouTube name. I changed it. I think it's like Eclipse.1. Eclipse Gorilla Tag Horror _.1. So Eclipse GTH.1. Yo, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna go down there.
Dude, if I had tag, I would have survived if I had tag on.
I'm getting a monster. I'm getting a spider.
Alright, so what's the name again?
What?
The name of the thing you're gonna post. There's a camera.
Guys! Whoa!
Guys, what map are you on?
Canyon. Yo? So, did he die?
It's climbing. No, it's climbing. Yo, I love this game.
Wait, hold on.
Yo, did you hear me scream, bro? I'm saying. Where is he? Did he die? Let me punch you. Let me punch you. Let me punch you.
No.
Yeah, fine. I'll let you punch me.
No.
No, I don't think so, Beanie.
Alright, let me punch you. Here, get under my hands.
No, no, no. I know what you're doing. No, look. You get under my hand. You get under. Wait, hold up.
Nah, bro, you're gonna fly me.
Get under my hand. No, get under my hand.
No, you're gonna fly me, bro.
I'm not gonna fly you, bro.
Hey guys, come on to Volcano.
Who has punch mod?
Me, but I'm not doing it. Yep, my turn.
You lied. No, you don't. Alright, guys. Should we go to caves or stay in canyons?
Yeah, let's go. Bro, you could even punch me.
Shall we go to caves? Wait, is there another spider? I swear there was another spider. Yeah, there's another one. There's another one over there.
But city's closed. Oh, yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, city is.
That was in the old update, probably. I'm stuck.
No.
No!
Oh, no. He fell.
Guys, there's a spider!
Oh! Come on, bro, drive.
I'm tired of wall climbing up. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna. No! No!
Oh, no! You won!
Stop punching me!
Guys, wait for me!
Wait, where's the spider? Stop.
Guys, I see a spider!
Oh, the spider's over here.
Yeah, the spider's over there. Wait, where are you guys at? Hold on, I'm coming up.
Oh, cool.
Wait, hold on, I'm coming up.
Oh, God, hurry up. Oh my God, I thought I was...
Oh!
Run! Oh, he fell.
Oh!
He fell. He fell.
Oh, he fell?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
PvP almost killed. Is he down there? Is he down there?
Let me check.
Yeah, he's down there. He can walk. He can get up here. No, 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 no.
Down there.
No.
Oh no.
He's climbing. He's climbing. He's climbing.
No, it's not.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Go.
climbing.
what? No, I'm not
Oh,
getting
he
in,
is,
bro.
He is. He actually is.
Alright guys, here's my last video.
No, no, no.
Look, I can't climb. Oh, I can't see.
You dare me to wall climb over here? I'm wall climbing. No, I fell.
Holy bun.
I'm falling. I'm falling.
Bro, it's that. It's back there.
No, I fell. I fell. I landed right on top of PvP. Oh, he's dead. Cowboy Hat is dead. Yup, Cowboy Hat just got cooked. Oh my god! Go! He's climbing! He's climbing! He's climbing! Go! Go!
Oh my god.
He's climbing! No! I fell! I'm dead! I fell! I fell! I fell! Help me! Help! Help! No! Oh my god, wait, I low-key kind of love this game. Queen's Garden, you mean? Wait, was it the mantis? Or she died by that, bro. I beat it in it. Wait, was he by himself? The person wasn't there to help him? Ah, that's why. No way. No way. Oh! I thought the player count was full. I love this game. I'm already in that.
Wait, guys, are you guys still in canyons? Are you guys still in canyons? I just.
Guys, I got cooked by PvP. I got cooked. Wait, are you guys still in canyons? Are you guys still in canyons? Wait, shall we go to volcano? Shall we go to volcano? Let's go to volcano.
What the fuck?
Guys, guys, where are you?
What is it? Canyons.
Canyon still? Should we go? Wait, guys, no, no, no. Let's go to volcano. Go to volcano.
No, volcano sucks. It's like.
No, volcano's underrated.
I fell.
Volcano's overrated, I mean.
I fell.
Oh. Yeah, it's overrated. That's why I hate it.
How do I get up?
The best. Guys, we haven't went to hospital yet.
What is hospital?
You don't know what a hospital is?
No, dude, I just got this game. I'm making a video on it.
Alright, bro.
See, like, these are the games that I like, bro. No speed boost, normal monsters. Unlike Cloud Gorilla Horror, where there's a massive speed boost and the monsters can't get you.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go to volcano.
Guys, help!
No, go to hospital, not
Guys, don't leave me here.
You can't even get they're in hospital. Guys, they're in hospital. Yes, well, I have a better question.
No.
Yeah, you can't even get any monsters.
Guys, don't leave me in canyons, please.
No, you guess you can, bro. What do you mean?
Guys.
But they
Go.
updated it. Come here. Come here. Guys, come here.
I'm not super brains. What am I doing? Wait, where are you guys in hospital?
No, where is the hand? Touch the hand. Touch it.
Don't touch
you
it,
touch
bro.
it.
Don't
Touch
touch
it.
it.
Nothing
Then
will
you touch
happen.
it. Then you touch it. Then you touch it. No, you're not even
Touch
touching
it.
it, bro.
Where are they?
Touch it, dude.
I think they're going to corruption.
No, you didn't.
There's a corruption.
What is it? Nah, bro.
Are we going to corruption?
Nah, touch it then. Touch it then. Touch it then. Touch it then. Touch it
Oh,
then.
someone touch it. Someone touch it.
No. What does it
You
do?
touch it, bro.
I know. I don't know what.
Nah, guys, this is good.
I don't know what it does.
No, no, no.
Corruption.
I want to go to
I just started
corruption.
playing this game.
I want to go to corruption.
Yeah, but there's
Someone
other
please
people.
touch it. I don't know what it
You
does.
can't
Oh
get
yeah,
out.
someone.
You
Oh,
can't
he
get out.
touched it. Shall we go with him?
Oh.
Go with him. Go with him. Go
He
with him.
touched it. He touched it.
Let's go with him. Go with him.
Oh my god, dude, bro. Why are you so scared now? Why are you so scared?
Go with him, guys. Shall we go with him?
Yeah,
No, you can't get out. You
I
can't
am
get
not
out.
gonna
You
go with
can't.
him.
No, you
So-
can't get out. You
You
can't
We
get
can
out.
just
get out. You
reset.
can get out. Have fun.
We can just reset our game, bro. It's for the views, bro. It's for my YouTube video. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Is anybody in there?
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Come on. I'll touch
You
it.
go, I go.
Hello, everybody. Today in this video,
You go, I
it's me,
go.
Scarface.
I bet.
Oh, we did it, and we will be going to hell.
Yes. Oh, you are
We're
in corruption.
Hell, people.
Follow me.
Where?
Follow me. Follow me. I know the way.
I know
You-
we're actually in.
I love this
We're in
game,
hell.
bro. This might be my new go. This might be my new game that I'm gonna play every day.
Yeah, me too. Bro,
I just got this game.
I don't even know.
yeah, me too. I got it like yesterday.
Don't play here.
Guys, is there any
But it shut down. It
No.
shut down.
No, it's not. It reopened on the app lab.
Oh, guys, they left
No,
us.
no,
What the heck?
Gold Spooky Tears back on app lab, bro.
Oh, the monster's still.
What?
Yeah.
When?
Go down
When?
with it.
When?
I don't know, bro.
entrance?
Maybe like 2
Who
days
knows
ago.
the way? Who knows the way?
I was playing it like.
I don't know the way. Let's just go wherever we
Chat,
want
we're
to.
dead. Chat, we're dead.
Help me. Why? That's all that I see on my screen. Help me. Why? Okay, guys, let's just go. Let's just go somewhere random. Come on.
Yeah, I can barely see. I can barely see.
I can see perfectly fine.
Yeah.
There's no monster in here, bro.
Where did y'all go? It's not this way.
Only in the third room, yeah. The third room, yeah, there's a monster.
Where are y'all?
I think it's up here. We're in corruption. There's nothing here. Never mind. Nothing here. Last one over here stinks.
Y'all are in the black and purple area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The missing textures area. They should just call this missing texture land.
Have you went to hell yet, bro? Have you went to hell yet?
Wait. Oh, wait, guys. Come on. Wait. Let's go.
It's this way. No,
Alright, fine. Let's go this way.
for sure.
Let's go this way.
I don't know where to go. Where do I go?
I'm pretty sure it's either this one or the other one.
Bro, you said it was this way for sure.
I just want to get out. Discord mod.
I like this area. Too. My arm low
Nah,
key
this is
hurts.
not the way, bro. This is not the way, bro.
No, because I know it's somewhere over here, but not like
It's a
over
big
here.
room. It's a big room, though. It's a big room, though.
Yeah, I
No,
know.
it's a big
That.
No, it's a big room. You have to find a big room.
Why did someone have to touch me over here and I'm the last? There's actually a monster. And we get
There's
drunk.
no monster.
Wait, there's no monster.
Oh, and
That'd be cool if they
did
did
I
the
watch
one.
every single map.
In the third one, there's a monster. I'm pretty sure, right?
Yeah, no, yeah.
I want to go to the third one then.
I've been playing.
We have to look.
Which way? Left,
This
right, forward, or
It's somewhere
backwards?
over here. It's somewhere
No,
over
guys,
there.
how about we all spread out, and then when we find it, we go in the middle, and then
No,
whoever
it's somewhere
found
over
it,
here, I'm
yeah.
pretty sure. Somewhere over in the middle.
Dude, last
What?
time you sat down, it wasn't even there, bro.
Guys,
No,
just
it's
let's
somewhere
just
over here
follow.
somewhere.
Just follow me, bro.
Alright. Oh my god, is that a monster? Oh, y'all are not incorrupt.
Yes, we are.
We are literally incorrupt.
We're in level 2.
Level.
No, this is not it, bro.
You don't know that.
I know, but it's not here,
This is
bro.
hella scary. I don't like this.
Yeah, I kind of don't like this either. It's low-key getting scary.
I don't even, I can
It's
barely.
low-key eerie in here. It's like the back
But it's
rooms.
for the views, chat. It's for the views.
Yeah, it's for the views, guys. It's not over
I
here.
need me like subscribers again because my account got hacked.
Wait.
Guys, it's a dead end.
Oh.
I have like 60
Who knows where level 3 is in Gorilla Darkness?
Just switch it up. Wait, actually, I'm gonna switch it up.
You think, yo, you think people actually play this
Skibbity
game?
Sigma. Skibbity Sigma Sigma. Skibbity Sigma Sigma. Skibbity.
Sigma, Sigma.
Guys, I'm switching it up real quick. Wait.
Yeah, it's my new song. I'm joking now.
Well, okay, we're back at spawn. Let's go forward.
Here. A person's leaving us.
Forget them. No, keep going. He's searching it up.
Mr. Chapter. Bro, what is that fake off monster sound effect? Hey, guys, I'm going back to level 1. Look up, everybody. See ya.
Is it on the web?
No, it isn't, bro.
Okay, so we just go forward. Just go forward. Last one there stinks.
Let's go forward. Dude, somebody punches me out. Give him $10 on cash.
You guys want to see Spider-Man?
Oh, heck no.
No, guys, it's all
We
spread out.
already went this way.
Guys, how about we all spread out and then when we fight it, we go in the middle.
Guys, don't leave me. Okay. Me and you.
Are you so lying, bro?
No,
Yeah.
groups of 3 now. I want to join. I'm joining.
Alright, come
Where's
on,
the
guys.
content?
You guys, no. Okay.
Crazy.
Alright, 3. Okay, you guys, both of you guys, go that way. Cowboy hat. Yeah, you and cowboy hat. You guys go back over there.
Wait, guys. Wait. There's 5 of us. There's 5 of us.
I'm gonna go check over here.
We're all just gonna
One has
run.
to be a group of 2, and
Let's
one
all
has to
run,
be
guys.
a group of 3.
I want to be in the group of 3.
Me
What- what's-
too. God, here, wait.
Can't
no,
be in a group
wrong
of 3
way.
either.
That's not Spider-Man.
Fine.
I have punch mod. Should I have punch mod on? Am I
Yeah.
good?
Spider-Man, dude, try.
Wait, I know we can punch you down hallways, then you can tell us if it's the exit or not.
Spider-Man.
Okay. Which way?
Oh, I missed. Toy. Oh, let me try this again.
Where are the other people?
Is that the exit?
It's a dead end. It's a dead end. It's a
Okay.
dead end.
Jeez, baby.
Let's punch you that way. Let's punch you that way. Wait, I missed. Hold up.
What? The map where you touch the hand?
Hold up. I suck at punching. Wait, let me do the quest glitch.
Yeah, I was just in there and then I like slingshot.
No. This is a really good punching way. Like that. Hey, let's punch you down here.
I can walk for this part.
No. Alright, let's go this
Oh,
way.
now you can punch me down here. Now you can punch me there.
Alright, come on. Where are you? Oh, okay. Did I miss? Oh, I missed.
Yeah, you did.
I missed again? Oh.
Yeah, you did.
Is it a dead end?
Wait, let me check.
Guys, come on. Guys, come on. We might have found it.
Still going. We just went in a loop.
What? There's nothing. Oh my god. This place is starting to make me go crazy. Adios.
Let's go forward, guys. Let's go forward. We already went there. It was a dead end. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Oh, we lost
Shall we just leave?
We are playing the game. What do you mean, bro?
Let's just
we
leave.
should just leave.
Yeah, just leave and join back, guys. Everyone just leave and join back.
Yeah, join back the code.
This might be officially my new longest video of how much I love this game, bro. You guys low-key really, like, get this game. I actually took a picture. I have a... I have a whole bunch of scratch.
I can't punch
Okay,
I'm back,
who was
guys.
the one from the other code?
I'm back, guys.
you
Sam, I'm back. We went to
I really hate
corruption.
Yeah, I was in corruption with you guys.
Wait, what's your name?
Eclipse.
On
It's Eclipse GTH.1.
Y'all know what mine is? It's Scarface VR official. Yo,
What
guys,
map should we go
I'm
to now?
back.
What map are they
I
in?
have 2 subscribers
guys,
because
follow
my
me.
other account got hacked.
Guys, let's go to
I used to
Volcano.
have like 66, not 67.
Oh, I have 80. I have 88 right now.
Good job.
Bro, even corruption is better than Volcano.
Can you shout me out? I really am desperate for subs. I really
How many
need
subs
them.
does he have?
Well, it's already kind of really late in the video. I don't know if people are gonna watch because I made a video on Brain Rot Tag Horror and it only got 7 views. But shout out to Gorilla7849.
Just call me
Hold up, how many
Scarface.
subs? Wait, how many
Okay,
subs does he have? How many?
He has 80 something.
88.
Everyone, I have 5 subs.
Oh, you guys?
I used to have 67.
So, okay,
No, not 67.
shout out Scarface
Why do you
VR.
have that many?
Shout out
And then have-
Yo,
Scarface.
bro, I'm more popular.
I'm official too.
I
Popular
have
person.
1 sub. I got negative
Oh
1
my
sub.
God.
I'm popular than you.
Oh my god.
Wow, dude.
He has
That's
more
like the most
subs.
popular person in the world.
Yeah, that's literally more than Mr. Beast.
Falcon.
Mr. Beast. I know, bro.
Come on.
Bro, Mr. Beast got
Everyone,
jealous
go
at
team.
how many.
You wanna meet
K-
Spider-Man?
isn't
Go
isn't
team.
K-
Yeah, wait,
no,
no,
I want to
go
see
to
Volcano. I want to see how bad
Exactly.
Volcano is. I want to see how bad it is.
No, I want to go to Canyon.
Let's see how bad Volcano is. No, let's see how bad. Let's see how bad it is. Oh, yo, what? This doesn't look that bad. What are you talking about? Yo, this is not that bad. What are you talking about? Caves? Guys, caves is not that bad. Wait, are you guys in caves? Are you guys in caves? Where are you? Wait, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Are they in forest? Are you guys in forest? Are you guys in forest? Where are you guys?
Oh, yeah. We're in cave.
Kate? Who's in corruption?
Are you guys in corruption anymore?
No, bro, we been left.
We're in cave. Oh man.
Why is
Oh,
it
I
so-
thought I know the way now.
Oh my god.
I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not going there.
Why would PvP be in caves?
No, I'm not going there.
Bro, no, I hate this game, bro. Why is it all mazes?
No one punch me. Get out of my house. Don't punch me. Get out of my house.
Ah, my ears. I just got cooked. Oh, this is a scrapped video I made of Gorilla Terror. This is also another scrap video. I don't know why I scrapped this. What is up, guys? Back to another video. Today we're gonna be yeah, we were gonna have a new member, but I don't know where he went. My VR is about to die, but I'm not gonna pause this video until it's about at 5%, because I really like this game like a lot. Ever again? Guys, I died. What map are you guys in? What map are you guys in? What map? What map? What map are you guys in? Caves? Y'all are still in caves? Y'all are still in caves?
Oh no, guys, come on. Damn. I think no, bro, I ain't careless. It's chasing me. It's chasing me. It's chasing me. Go the right way. Yeah.
Wait, guys, in caves, did you go forward or left? Wait. Yo, what are you running from, bro? Oh, wait, oh, I found you guys. Wait, no, guys, the monster's over there. The monster's over there. The monster's over there. The monster's over there.
Dude, get out of here.
Hey,
What? How?
If we get a monster, just run all the way. Just go like where we came from.
Bro, I just died in here, though. What just killed me? Something was in here. Clover died.
There's nothing. Guys, let's go to facility.
Yeah, guys, let's go to facility.
Last one there smells bad.
I've never been.
Last one to facility smells really bad.
Go to Lollipop, skip
Well, I'm already at facility, so.
I'm also at facility. Who's gonna be last?
Oh.
Yo, wait, this low-key looks like really cool.
Wait, what are you guys at?
Yo, if I hear someone say they don't like Gorilla Darkness, I literally might strangle them.
Are you guys at facility?
Activate gorilla tag.
Hey!
Also, my brain rot tag horror video. My brain rot tag horror video got copyrighted.
What's your channel?
Eclipse GTH.1.
Okay.
Wait, guys, come back.
What's up?
Shall we go to back rooms? Oh, a modder! It's a modder. Wait, it's a really cool modder. Yo, wait, modder. It's a modder. Wait, modder, can you please come out here, please, modder? I got you. Here, I'll punch you. I got you. Ah! Yo, there's nothing over here. It's a dead end. There's nothing over here. It's a dead end.
I know how to build a literal cannon.
Oh, nobody's gonna tag me because they all smell really bad and stink. Juke. Oh!
You're moving pretty good, though.
Ankles!
Son, I'm crying.
I'm gonna get you.
Thank you, attention grabber. Now we can leave.
Hey!
Yo, get him! Everyone get him! Get him!
Yes.
Alright, guys, punch me down the hallway.
I hit here.
Meow. Oh.
Run, guys.
Oh, there's a light over there.
Checking your location.
Yo, top hat, punch me over there.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
There's nothing really over here.
Guys, the dagger's coming. Wait. Wait, not me. Wait. I have Down syndrome.
What?
Guys,
Punch me down that hallway.
Thank you. Wait, guys, what about that hall?
Wrong way. I need to get a.
Wait, actually, no, punch me down the other hallway. This one.
Guys, he's coming.
Thank you.
Yo,
That was low-key kind of weak. Yeah, that was low-key kind of bad.
Green hallway. We should definitely go there.
Oh, yeah, the green hallway.
Thank you. Oh, there's a monster right there. There's a guy right there. There's a guy right there. Oh, you're so dead. There's a guy right there. He has no animation.
Hey, oh, what the heck?
Go get him.
Go put your hands up for hooray.
Go get him.
He's frozen.
Yep, put your hands up for hooray. Guys, put your hands up for hooray.
Bro,
Yep.
how is every monster frozen?
You don't have punch mod.
Yeah, come get
Maybe server leader's not in facility like a noob. Yo, who just punched me? I almost got punched into the monster. Yo, guys, punch me down the hallway. Down the hallway.
No, can I?
Yeah, down the hallway.
Down the hallway. Is that spring trap? Guys, punch me down the hallway. I said down the hallway. Thank you. Oh, it's a dead end. It's a dead end. Punch me. Punch me down the hallway. Thank you, guys.
Hey, Brian, punch me down the hallway. I'm the best puncher, bro.
Yeah, I'm letting anyone punch me right now. Punch me down the hallway. Thank you.
That was bad.
That was kind of buns. Why didn't I slide? Oh, Oh, wait, I saw the modder. I saw the modder. I saw the modder. I saw a modder. I saw a modder. I saw a modder over there. Punch me.
I know. Hey guys,
Why down there? No, down over there.
let me punch him.
Why is it so... Bro. Why is it actually
It's a dead end. Again, it's a dead end again.
I'll punch you. I'll punch you. I'll punch you. Tag me.
I'm faster
Tag
than
me.
you,
Tag me.
loser.
Actually, no. Don't
Oh,
tag
oh
me.
yeah, with slingshot. Yo, with slingshot. Slingshot, slingshot. Slingshot,
bet.
slingshot. No, no, no. Okay.
Is it just me?
All right. Okay. Oh shoot.
I don't need. Oh my god.
Wait, guys. Who wants a slingshot? Who wants a slingshot over there? Who wants a slingshot over there? Who wants a slingshot?
It's a wall. It's a wall.
Who wants a slingshot over there? Want a slingshot? Yeah, punch mod.
Slingshot me.
Alright,
Slingshot me. Slingshot me.
I would ask you.
No,
Okay,
bro, we're
let's go.
going that way.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Yo,
6,
he
5, 4,
actually
3,
got
1.
sent.
Launch off!
Ask you to slingshot.
Guys, who wants to punch me? Who wants a slingshot? Who wants a slingshot? Who wants a
Wait,
slingshot?
me. Please, me. Please, me.
Come on, with slingshot. Come on. Ow!
I know. I wish I punched.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Don't tag me.
What are you doing? Hold your hands up. Alright, come on. Hold your hands up like that.
Let's go to the green way. Let's go to the green way.
Okay, hold your hands up.
Not. Okay, no, this way. We're going that way. Hey, get ready.
Alright.
Bruh.
Let me just slingshot with
Slingshot, slingshot, come on.
Oh, that's interesting.
I messed up. Come on, slingshot, come on.
The green way. Go to the
Slingshot? Alright.
Yeah, go the green way. Go down the green way.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're not slingshotting.
Don't go in the green hallway.
Go down the green hallway.
I can punch you.
Wait, come on. Slingshot
The
again.
monsters are frozen, dog.
Come on, slingshot.
Yes, Skibidi.
Slingshot. Come on. This way, this way, this way, this way.
Go the green hallway.
Wait, no.
Don't go in the green hallway? Okay.
I don't have punch man on.
Yes, you do.
Then you can't do it.
Go to the green hallway.
Alright, well, who wants, you want a slingshot? Oh, you want a
There's
slingshot?
another monster down.
That guy died. Go check if he's okay.
Oh, yo, wait. Actually, yeah.
Yo, someone should go.
Who wants a slingshot? Who wants to, wait, is there a dead end? Is there a dead end over here?
Get the hell
Is there a dead end?
Why did you have to tag me, bro? You're such a
Is there a dead end? Or what?
He turned his headset off.
He's coming. Run.
Bro, what the?
Oh, the monster's moving. The monster's moving. Run. 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 Run.
He's coming.
Wait, where? What? What happened?
Yeah, I know. We tricked all of you. He's not coming. Okay, who wants a slingshot? 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 Anyone? Slingshot? Anyone? Alright, come on, come on.
Speed roll. He's like
I
speed.
have
As
it on.
soon as he
I
turns his
forgot.
corner, you're all
Then don't, you
dead.
can't do slingshot.
Slingshot.
bro.
Anyone wants a slingshot?
Hey,
Anyone?
hey, you.
Anyone slingshot? Come on.
Something.
Slingshot. You want a slingshot?
Come on.
You want to wait, Cool Monk doesn't have it on. Yeah, punch mod. Slingshot.
No, I don't. What? Stop tagging me, bro. I don't want tag.
Why?
Here, I could go turn it on, but I want to at least go home, bro, with everyone.
Well,
else.
I'm gonna beat you over there.
Bro, my
I'm gonna beat you. 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 I dropped my controller. This is not fair. This is rigged. This is all rigged. This is all rigged.
Get over here. Get over here.
Hey, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. I'm not even gonna use tracking glitch. Oh shoot! Never mind. Never mind. It's really close. It's really close.
No! No! Come on.
Both hands.
No, my controller! No! Yes, I'm beating you!
No, you're not. What? No, you're not. Please give me a tag. Game, please. No. I beat you.
No, I did! It's a
I said
tie.
first on the forest.
No!
You're so lucky my arms hurt right now.
Yeah, mine too, bro. You know
Yo, we are getting held to this middle way, dog. Dum dum.
Yo, why'd you punch me?
You in facility.
Yeah, we're in facility. Come on, spawn is back here. Come on, spawn. Go to spawn.
Can we, guys, can we meet Spider-Man?
Let's go to volcano. Go to volcano.
No, Pac-Man.
Yo,
Volcano
guys,
doesn't look bad,
Yo,
bro.
guys, this big
Yeah, volcano's not that bad. It's better than corruption. After this, let's go to hospital. Alright, who wants to punch me? Who wants to punch me? Who wants to punch me?
Me.
Alright, whoever punches me, punches me.
No, I'm the best puncher.
Ah! I didn't fall. Whoever can punch me harder. Oh, magma.
Come to me. Whoever wants to get punched really high, come to me.
I want to get punched really high.
Alright, come to me.
Yo, I wanna-
Oh,
Yo,
yep,
no,
I'm
punch
getting
you.
in your arms. Yep, I know what
no,
this
punch
is.
you.
Come on. You stop.
Yo.
Ah! That was... I'm coming. I don't
Yo,
think
I
so,
wanna
little
punch you.
Bobby. I'm coming. I'm here.
Y'all wanna get punched? Yeah, someone get punched.
Bro, people keep on punching me. People keep on punching me. Stop punching me.
Someone let me punch. Someone get on my hand.
Yeah, this guy does not care. I don't know what he's doing.
Guys,
Guys, if you want to get spun,
Punch
get
me.
on my hand.
get on my
If you wanna
hand.
get spun,
Punch
get on my
me.
hand.
Ah! Oh, you punched me so far. I'm cooked. Ah! Help me, guys. I'm coming back. Magma. You're so dead. Yeah. Ah! Magma's coming up there. No! Daisy! No! What? They did not catch me! That was stupid. No, wait, my VR might not last long. 16%. We still got 16%, boys. I repeat, 16%. We got 16%, boys. We got this. We're playing until it's the end. I love this video. Bruh, I got cooked by Daisy09. Guys, I got cooked by Daisy09. I got cooked.
Punching, bro.
I got cooked by Green Magma. Wait, punch me. Who wants to punch me? Wanna punch me again? Punch me. Punch me hard. Somebody punch me hard. How'd you miss that, bro?
Alright, let me do it. I think I can. Alright.
You suck.
No, it's just that, Mark.
Volcano bounty? No, it's not. Green Magma! What the heck? Off-brand pixel! Daisy09! Off-brand pixel! Yo, who got Daisy? Someone got Daisy. Oh my god, off-brand pixel's trying to get me. Off-brand pixel. You know, his name is gonna be Bloxy. That's Bloxy. Pixel, man. Yo, you made it? Yo, you wanna punch me?
You will be touched if you get on my land.
Punch me. Ah! Oh, you missed. Off-brand pixel. Whoa! Oh my god. What is Green Magma doing, bro? Green Magma's lacking off.
Knock it up here.
Throw. Oh, they're cooked. Oh, they're all so cooked. Punch me. Ah! No, Green Magma! I juked Green Magma. I'm alive. I am alive. Everyone's alive. You are the creator, you traitor. Guys, who wants to punch me hard? Who wants to punch me? I'm back. Alright, you're alright, I'm right here, guys. Who wants to punch me hard? Who wants to punch me? Punch me as hard as you can. Who knows how to slingshot really far? Who knows how to slingshot really far? Who knows how to slingshot really far? No, wrong way, wrong way. That way, that way. No, that way. That way.
Literally wrong way.
Slingshot me that way. Slingshot me that way.
Let me punch you, bro.
Wrong way.
Yes, bro, wrong way.
Oh.
Look backwards and do it. Yes. Walk backwards a bit. Oh my god.
What? Hi, we're gonna buy you.
Am I the only one who knows how to do this? Gang, it's like this. Let me show you guys how to slingshot, bro. Let me show you guys how to slingshot. Get in my hands. Get in my hands. Let me show you guys how to slingshot, bro. Get in my hands. Get in my hands, bro. Let me show you guys how to slingshot. What are you doing, bro? Come here. Get in my hands. Get in my hands, bro. No, get in my hands. Let me show you guys how to slingshot. Get in my hands. Somebody get in my hands. Whoever has SpongeBob, get in my hands. Bro, why? No one's no one's laughing. Yo, guys, get in my hands, bro. If you want. Yo, y'all. Okay, if y'all don't want to be slingshotted, y'all could have just said that. Come on, bro. Get in my hands if you actually want to be slingshotted. Get in my hands if you actually want to be slingshotted. Get in my hands.
Someone get on.
I don't think I have punch rod on.
Someone get in my hands.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you don't. You don't. Alright. Shoot. Okay. No.
Get in my hands if you want to get shot at.
Block soul. Are we good? No! Who punched me, bro? Who punched me? Yeah. He's falling. He can't get us. He can't get us. Stop trying to punch me into the monster. Daisy! No! I'm dead! No! Help, guys! Guys, help me! Help me! Help! Help me! Magma's trying to get off there. I'm dead. Oh my god. Lickle. Block soul. Bloxy's trying to get me. No, you know, that's Cubics. Now that's Cubits. His name is Cubics. Pick Cubics. Guys, Cubics is coming to spawn. Cubics. Cubics is trying to come to spawn. No way, I bet I bounce, bro. Go. Guys. No, who wants to be slingshotted, bro? I need to teach you guys how to slingshot. bro. No, I need to teach you guys how to slingshot, bro. Who has punch mod? Who has punch mod?
Wait, get on my hand.
No, who has punch mod?
You're not punching me. Go away.
Who has punch mod?
Seriously though.
Who has punch
You cannot
mod?
punch without our permission.
Who has punch mod?
Embarrassing.
You get her here, Beanie. Let me get in your hands. Hurry. Beanie, hurry. Beanie.
Bro, you're actually embarrassing.
Beanie, you're actually. Punch me. Somebody punch me. Punch me before. You punch me right into the skeleton. Are you serious? From by. So cool. Alright, guys. That'll be the end for today's video. This is now my longest video. I think. The longest video is at least 24 minutes, I think, right? So, make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope you have a good day.
It would be a stylish man.